Y'all know they got a nurse though.
Yeah,
Everybody guard this nigga right now. Everybody guard this nigga, man. Everybody guard this nigga, G. What the fuck? Y'all know.
That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
Got me a Zen just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. Seen a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pain. Bought me a Zen today. You say fuck my way. We not tryna be your friend. I'm in a park going over 6. Because I got me a Zen until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the great. My way, we shit for you. We all ballers is in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We shit for my Wayne. We scream for my Wayne. Getting in all of this bank. Winning all of the events. Winning all like the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. I might take a shake for my Wayne today. We all got a Zen.
People OG back on the screen. Yes, the Zens have reached the wreck. Zens are a popular, common thing. I told people this. I've made many of videos. Please drop a like on this video. We want this video to get really, really high because I believe all in my I just believe very, very strongly that the devs can have a stronger method to patch and ban these guys, like use a certain technology to literally ban them. But it will be so much people, like literally, it will be so many people that it would, people think like there's not a lot of Zen users, but people have to understand there's different scripts. There's stronger scripts. There's players that just are better players. You have casuals using Zens. You have sweats using Zens. You know, there's different levels. You got some people that got it, don't even really know what they're doing with it. The casuals who probably got like some mediocre script. That's how deep I know this thing goes. It's like, and it's so confusing. People just like, oh, I don't know if these Zens or not. People have to throw it up in the air because it's so much speculation on if a Zen misses, if it doesn't, if this, or that. But I'm telling you guys, it's a certain script because people sell it. People sell it just like it's like a bag of weed. They sell it just like that. I'm telling you. You got the special on the shelf, behind the shelf. You don't want nobody to get. I'm telling you. And it's keep it on the market because why give it out? Then that person can sell it. He has it. He knows how it functions. Now he can sell it. You know, so people be stingy with it. It's deep. Let's get into some more clips though. Their system last year didn't even stop cheaters from being able to cheat and still make shots. You know, they still were making way more consistently than most players. Honestly, so 2K just has to ban them more. That's what I feel like they should do. Have more efficient systems to ban them and get them off the game. We're gonna get them. You have this guy tweeting, "The Zens gotta go, please. Lock in and find a real solution to this. I'm actually enjoying the game this year, and cheaters are ruining it for me." Shaking my head. So, I feel like it's so many people that have this device. People don't understand. You guys think it's just like, what, 200 people? Like, what, 20 people, 25 people? Like, yo, it's literally sold on Amazon. It's sold on GameStop. Like, you can go inside GameStop and see Zens. Literally. Like, you can literally go in GameStop and see a Zen in a case. And here's a clip of yo, that's EJ playing against a Zen. Let's watch it.
Board. Oh no!
Oh no! EJ, I don't understand why you still playing this game, bro. Like, can you like get off the game, bro?
This is Zena right here. NAL2.
I've been losing all day.
Yo, let's look at this.
He's cheating, bro. He's using that features, the features in, bro. The features.
Which one he using?
It's called features ins. Features ins.
Features ins. It just came out. But nigga, how you know this?
That's a paid script. Like $50.
Oh my god.
God. He cheats, bro. He using that feature stance, bro. I might get that script, I ain't gonna lie. I might get that shit. That's like $50. Shit kinda expensive. I ain't gonna lie. I want this shit though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done, bro.
Board.
Bro. He said that feature script. Now listen, people. Some of these shots that this guy is hitting, you can hit these in NBA 2K26. So people be like, oh, nah, he's not cheating. He's playing ass defense. EJ is still playing ass defense. These are still late contests. Let me be honest. This is still terrible defense. But just having that understanding or that thought in your mind that this player has a Zen makes you guarding them so much different. It's like you guarding like Kobe. It's like you guarding Michael Jordan. It's like you guarding Kevin Durant. It's like the real them though. It's like that. It's like the real deal them. It's weird how I'm trying to put it together, but y'all see how I'm trying to put it together. It's like you guarding that level of a caliber of a player now. So it's gonna throw you off. You're probably not gonna play extra crazy D, but you still can contest them. But it's their confidence to be able to just once they get free space, they know they can take this certain shot because it's gonna go in. 2K still has that certain window where you can still block the shot, block the Zen, get in the window and stop it. Trust me. Because Zen users play against Zen users. You don't think they ever match up against each other? And these scripts just don't get it 100% perfect because 2K still has their little anti-cheat system in the game, even if we don't think that. Like, trust me, they're behind the scenes, like, looking at things. That's why they're banning people. How you think they're banning people? Because they have little systems that see certain things, okay? But unfortunately, like I said, there's some type of legal thing because they're sold in GameStop. So we have pictures right here showing that Zen users are for sure getting banned, right? Guys that are using it are getting banned. But it's just like people want it to be where it's like the first game they use it, they're banned. But it's like 2K probably has a system that collects data over time. Because they probably do have like a certain, I don't want to say it's RNG, but it's a certain system where it's like they understand how certain mathematics systems should fall, like certain players. There's probably some little calculation data sheet where it's like this player should be shooting this, you know? So it's like they probably end up finding out, figuring out. Or some probably deeper technology system that just shows it. And that's what people want, to get these guys off the game quicker, fast. And here we have the last Zen clip, people. Let's watch it. The sound. So when I first was looking at all the clips, all of them was looking pretty good to me, and it was like, these are things that probably could fall, actually. Now when you look right here, he actually jumps, but he's still like on the wrong side of the ball, but it still gave a 22% contested. And just the pure confidence of him shooting like this, he gotta be zenned up. Now, I understand how strong the windows are this year to where you can shoot, but I still feel like there's many of players that just use this. It's like people use it in Call of Duty heavily. People are going to use it in 2K heavily. TikTok is just a strong platform, and people don't realize, like when I'm making these YouTube videos, you don't realize like how heavy TikTok videos are showing how to use Zens on 2K. And you know what I mean? Yeah, he has shot specialist, legend. He has Deadeye, Hall of Fame. And you can spray down some people with some Dead Eye Hall of Fame, you know, going crazy like that. And the guy's not really contesting the best, but it's like, because you see how he's getting open. Him getting open doesn't mean the Zen is making him get it open. Him getting open means he's just hitting that green window and he's actually opening that window. But it's like, to know that timing, to hit that timing like that, you have to be super elite. You know what I mean? So people are saying he's Zenning too as well. I just always go to the case that I don't know, you know, until I guard a person and I'm jumping right in your grill on time, because I'm usually good at doing that. Like if he shoots a shot like this on my 6'10" build or any defensive build that I have, if I know that he's just flicking it off like this, I'm going to jump right on the side of the ball and see. If I don't block it, then I know, yeah, this guy is Zenning. Guns are heavy. Once again, they're sold in GameStop. When people want to go to buy a new controller, new stuff, and they're seeing like, wait, why is this sold in GameStop? Isn't this like a cheating device? But in legal terms, it's actually some, I forget what they say it is, but it's like a universal type of thing to help do certain things controllers can't do, you know, if you wasn't able to buy. So it's some extra craziness, man. But once you're able to do scripts and all that type of stuff, and that's when it got out of hand. But for some reason, it's crazy. It's crazy. They never came out and gave like a deep video to address it. Mike Wayne will address so much other things, but never address like, that would be really, really good to hear them come out and talk about it. Because maybe just their words could maybe change the community's vibe and maybe make cheaters want to stop or come out and expose it to help the devs fix it. You know, for real. Some cheaters just got to the point where it's like, can't beat them, join them. So that's why I be telling you guys, like these videos up. Like this video, make it go viral so the devs can see it. They can actually do something like that. They really stay quiet about this. Like, but if we got them to come out and speak and make talk detail about why they can't stop it or what's going on or how they figure out who's Zenning, maybe if they created a feature like they creating features for everything else. Like create a feature for us to put certain names in a list and Zen, like I don't know, like something official. I don't know. You know what I mean? Maybe have certain creators like y'all do, all the good known creators, but make sure they're just not petty. They have an ability to get clips from people and send it to y'all or something, or put them in a little feature that's in the game, ban people quick. You could put their just name in a group, like, you know, but only the known creators can do this, so it's not abused, you know, because if it's a random dude, he'll just throw somebody's name in there. You know, Joe knows to have the ability. You just go to Joe knows, send him the clips and DMs. He sees it. He puts the name in. You know, so I don't know. But it is crazy. And it, like I always said, it kills the enjoyment. It takes away from who's a real good shooter or not, who can shoot under good pressure or not, because it takes away from when a lockdown is playing real good defense and you're going to be a little bit shaky on your timing on that X button. You know, or they, you know, it's just crazy. They got to do better. Not even the devs. Well, they got to make a better system to ban this. All right, so let me know what y'all think in the comment section below about this, man. I'll see y'all. They got these official auto green scripts, because remember, it's a pure green window now, so they can just hit every shot and not miss. Especially if you're not jumping right in their grill, like I said. Like, he's not doing it on the right timing. He's not doing it like whack-a-mole, like right when the ball's up, like meeting him. Hit the like, subscribe, man. I'll see y'all in the next one.
That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
Got me exam just in case. Went to the store today. Went to gangsta out today. Seen a Zen in the case. I made my way. I made that pain. Bought me a Zen today. You say fuck my way. We not tryna be your friend. I'm in a park going overseas. Because I got me a Zen until I got me a Zen. I plugged it in again. I'm feeling plugged in. Who got the work again? Who got the script for me? I need the best script to hit the green. Mike Wayne, we said fuck you. We all ballers is in. Everybody in the Discord, 5,000 members. We say fuck my Wayne. We scream fuck my Wayne. We making all of this pay. Winning all of the events. Winning all like the stage. Winning, shooting the green. I might take a fade. We say fuck my Wayne today. We all got a Zen. Plug it in again. Man, who got the work for me? I need all the scripts. I need everything.